Hello mga ka-channel, I'm Professor Bani and welcome sa ating online classroom tutorials. Pero bago ang lahat, shoutout ko lahat na estudyante ng Systems Plus Computer College. Lalo na sa mga nag-likes and shares, and most of all sa mga nag-subscribe. Alam nyo naman this channel was created during the time of pandemic, para magkaroon tayo ng kaalaman kahit tayo nasa bahay lang. Okay. So let's get start.
Cabanatuan City, the City of Gold. Cabanatuan is a bustling center of commerce and trade. It's also known for its vibrant nightlife and delicious local cuisine. Cabanatuan, officially the City of Cabanatuan, Filipino, Lungsod ng Cabanatuan, Ilocano, Ciudad de Cabanatuan, Kapampangan, Lacandalen Ciudad ng Cabanatuan, is a first-class component city in the province of Nueva Ecija, Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 327,325 people, making it the most populous city in Nueva Ecija and the fifth most populous in Central Luzon. Cabanatuan was founded as a barrio of Gapan in 1750 and became a municipality and capital of La Probinsya de Nueva Ecija in 1780. Cabanatuan is the site of the historical Plaza Lucero and the Cabanatuan Cathedral, where General Antonio Luna was assassinated by Captain Pedro Genolino and members of the Kawit Battalion. San Jose City, the most populous city in Nueva Ecija. San Jose City is a major industrial and commercial center. It is also home to the Buntis Covered Bridge, the oldest bridge in the province. San Jose, years before it became a town, was a wilderness, a veritable hunting ground for wild animals by the inhabitants of its neighboring towns. The earliest inhabitants were known as Negritos, Baluga, headed by Kapitan Danding, a Negrito convert residing in Pinagcuartelan. These early inhabitants depended mostly on hunting and fishing for their livelihood. Some hunters from the neighboring towns found San Jose as a good place for settlers due to its wide and uncleared agricultural land. The first group of settlers made some clearings, Canyon, in the outskirts of the present town. Originally, San Jose was a part of the town of Puncan, but later on, because of its nearness to Lupao, it was made a barrio of the latter. The early history of this town was coupled with the early history of Puncan and Lupao. Talavera, home to the Talavera Falls, a popular tourist destination, Talavera is also known for its sugarcane plantations. Aliaga, nestled in the Sierra Madre Mountains, Aliaga boasts breathtaking scenery, including the Minalungao National Park and the Gabaldon Falls. Day tour adventure with family at Minalungao National Park. It's well known that Nueva Ecija is home to many spectacular churches and rice-field landscapes. However, there is this one hidden place, though I must say that it's not anymore due to the increased number of visitors, called Minalungao National Park, from the words Mina, mine, and Lungao, cave. Quiapo, this charming town is known for its traditional crafts, such as basket weaving and pottery making. Quiapo, officially the municipality of Quiapo, Ilocano, Iliti Quiapo, Tagalog, Bayan ng Quiapo, is a first-class municipality in the province of Nueva Ecija, Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 68,066 people. General Tino, adventure awaits in General Tino, where you can go spelunking in the Uguang Cave or trek up the challenging Mount Ugu. General Tino, officially the municipality of General Tino, Tagalog, Bayan ng General Tino, Ilocano, Iliti General Tino, is a first-class municipality in the province of Nueva Ecija, Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 55,929 people. Nature's enchantment, Penaranda, embrace the wilderness in Penaranda, home to the awe-inspiring Penaranda Falls and Pantabangan Dam, a haven for ecotourism and adventure activities. Nueva Ecija is one of the provinces in the Philippines that are lucky to be centrally located. Residents here can easily travel to and from Metro Manila, the country's capital. Likewise, tourists in the city can conveniently get a ride or drive up to the province and explore its virtually unadulterated wonders. Pantabangan Dam, it was built along the Pampanga River in 1974 to act as reinforcement against flood. The dam was also made to provide irrigation to farmlands and additional supply of electricity. Because it has one of the most scenic spots in the province, the Pantabangan Dam is one of the most visited tourist attractions in the province. Philippine Rice Research Institute, this is the central station of agricultural experimentation and is the only one of its kind in the entire country. If you want to learn more about rice making, take a side trip to this part of Nueva Ecija. Lanera, immerse yourself in the tranquil beauty of Lanera, known for its vast rice fields, mesmerizing rivers, and the mystical Ampingbato Falls. Santa Rosa, discover the hidden paradise of Santa Rosa, where the majestic Bunu Falls and the serene Mabini Falls offer a refreshing escape amidst lush greenery. Santa Rosa, according to the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, was founded as a municipality on August 1, 1878, through a Spanish decree. Jaén, step back in time in Jaén, dubbed the historical town of Nueva Ecija. Explore the centuries-old Jaén Church, a national historical landmark, and wander through the charming Spanish-era houses. Rizal, delve into the rich cultural heritage of Rizal, known for its traditional Moriones Festival, a vibrant spectacle showcasing colorful costumes and reenacting the Roman soldiers' search for Jesus. Talugtog, immerse yourself in the artistic spirit of Talugtog, the woodcarving capital of Nueva Ecija. Witness the skilled craftsmanship of local artisans and admire their intricate wood carvings. San Leonardo, tantalize your taste buds in San Leonardo, the Carabao meat capital of Nueva Ecija. Savor delectable dishes like kare-kare and dinuguan prepared with locally sourced Carabao meat. Science City of Muñoz, dive into the world of science and technology in Muñoz, home to the Philippine Carabao Center, the Philippine Science High School, and the Interactive Science Centrum. Resort Beaches, Dingalan Aurora Resort Beach, located in Talavera. This resort offers a man-made lagoon with white sand and amenities like swimming pools, cottages, and water slides. An hour drive away from Gapan City, Nueva Ecija is Dingalan, which is already part of Aurora Province. We went to Family Beach Resort along the shores of Birjiwa. Butas na Bato.
Nood sa aking video para masubaybayan at maki-update sa aking mga next tutorial. Paki-click na lang yung subscribe button at notification bell. So, paki-share na lang sa iba para mas marami pang matuto ng libre. At i-comment na rin para yung mga tanong natin mapag-usapan natin sa ating next tutorial. Thank you and see you next time. Okay? See you on my next tutorial. Bye-bye!